Shopify versus Dropify. Which is better for dropshipping? Welcome to today's video, where we'll break down the key differences between Shopify and Dropify to help you decide which platform is the best fit for your dropshipping business. If you're looking to start or scale your dropshipping store, this comparison will clarify which platform aligns better with your needs. Remember, links to both platforms are in the description below, so be sure to check those out after the video. First, let's talk about Shopify. Shopify is a well-established e-commerce platform that caters to a wide range of online businesses, including dropshipping. With Shopify, you get access to a comprehensive ecosystem of apps and integrations, making it incredibly versatile. Shopify is particularly strong in its ease of use, allowing beginners to set up a professional-looking store quickly without any coding knowledge. The platform offers a variety of customizable themes, extensive customer support, and a robust set of marketing tools, including SEO optimization, email marketing integrations, and abandoned cart recovery. Shopify also integrates seamlessly with major dropshipping apps like Oberlo and Spocket, which simplifies the process of finding products, adding them to your store, and fulfilling orders. However, the versatility of Shopify comes at a cost. Shopify's pricing is higher compared to Dropify, with plans starting at $39 per month, and that's before you add in the costs of essential apps, which can drive up your monthly expenses. Additionally, Shopify charges transaction fees unless you use Shopify Payments, which could cut into your margins if you choose a different payment gateway. Now, let's dive into Dropify. Dropify is a platform specifically designed for dropshipping, offering a more streamlined and cost-effective solution for this business model. Unlike Shopify, Dropify focuses solely on dropshipping, which means the platform is tailored to the unique needs of dropshippers. Dropify's standout feature is its lower cost structure, with plans starting at a more affordable rate and no additional transaction fees. Dropify also simplifies product sourcing and order fulfillment by integrating directly with various suppliers, allowing for easy automation and management of your dropshipping business. This makes it an excellent choice for beginners or those looking to minimize overhead. However, Dropify isn't as feature-rich or flexible as Shopify. While it covers the basics well, you might find yourself limited if you want to scale your business beyond dropshipping or need advanced marketing tools. Dropify's themes and design options are also more limited, which could impact the overall look and feel of your store. In conclusion, if you're looking for a versatile platform that offers more advanced features and scalability, Shopify is the better choice, especially if you're willing to invest in your business. On the other hand, if you're just starting out in dropshipping or want a more budget-friendly option tailored specifically to dropshipping, Dropify could be the right fit for you. Ultimately, the best platform depends on your specific needs and goals. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details and to sign up for a free trial to test the platforms yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more e-commerce tips and reviews.